Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I have a fun new bundle that just released at Not Too Shabby, and this is coming hot on the heels of my Masculine Makes Masterclass series, so it's just so perfect and I'm so happy that I get to craft with this. It's called The Rugged Outdoors, and of course it's not just for the men in your life, but really anybody who loves the outdoors. So what you're gonna find, and I think everything here is really fun, and if I have to say, like a little bit different from the usual Not Too Shabby releases that we see. So for that, I'm really thankful because I just think it's really great to have a fun variety. So look at this. Grit and grunge. Now, I don't often, when I do my unboxings, show every single thing, but I just have to take a peek and I have to share it with you of all of these gorgeous grungy papers. Now, if you are really big into your media supplies and you love to get messy, I'm sure you're gonna look at these and love them, but you're gonna also think to yourself, I probably have everything I need to make something very similar. And that's okay because these pattern papers are for you if you don't want to get messy, but they're also for folks who love the look. They might not have all of the supplies, or they just might not want to get that messy. So I think these are just gorgeous in that very grungy style. And so you can see that for each double-sided design, you're going to get 4 identical sheets. So plenty of variation, but at the same time, also plenty of quantity if you're creating in mass, for example, and you want to make the same card multiple times. You might need multiple sheets of the same pattern. So you're going to have that. You're going to have that, but you're also going to have a lot of variety as well. So really fabulous. I just love the look of all of this. I fall into the camp of I have the things, I kind of know how to approach doing something like this, but I don't stretch myself far enough with grungy backgrounds, for one, and then second, I don't tend to like the messy. I can be a little messy and I'm okay with it, but when it gets to how many layers that you can see built up on this, I mean, I know if I were to do that, there would be a huge mess and a lot of cleanup afterwards. So loving this, very looking forward to crafting with it. If you're looking at anything that I'm sharing and you're saying to yourself, I really need this, I have a special offer in the description box. So if you want to expand that, there's going to be a special coupon for 10% off of the release. And so you can check that out if you want to get yourself this incredible new bundle at a fabulous price plus a little discount. So love this. Camping is my therapy. Come get lost with me. Oh, I love that. Always take the scenic route. Keep calm and go fishing. Really great sentiments. Then you have the perfect set of enamel dots. I love this palette. And as you can see, it goes really well with the grit and grunge paper collection there. And of course, there's some ephemera pieces, and this is a little bit different, so I'm kind of excited to see this. They are all squares. So check this out. So instead of those close cut ephemera pieces, these are all little tiles that, now my question is going to be, will there be any duplicates? I wonder. Oh yeah, here we go. So we have some, I feel like I'm playing a game of memory, like one of those matching games. But it's, there's quite a lot. I mean, I found so far one duplicate, and there's another that has a duplicate. And so these are really quite interesting. Because they're all little scenes unto themselves, and they are really great size, about 2.25 by 2.25 is what it measures out to be. So that's a really nice size for a focal image, but still small enough that if you really wanted, you could use multiples on the same card. And it's nice thickness. It's a nice thickness, maybe 65 to 80 pound, if I had to guess, in cover weight. So it's pretty awesome. I'm trying to find, yeah, so you get 2 of each, it looks. You get 2 of each, and in total there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 designs, 2 of each. That's a lot to craft with, especially if you're only using one on a card. So I think that's pretty amazing. And then, of course, if you get to using multiples on a card, you'll go through them a little bit faster. But I think these are lovely. And of course, theme-wise, these can be your focal images. The sentiments are all really a nice size as well. And so they would go really well with these. You could imagine, especially some of these that are a little bit more square, you could imagine a layout where maybe you're using 2 scenes and then the third square, because you could stamp this onto like the same or similar size and build up some interesting layouts that way, like a very geometric layout. So this is the Rugged Outdoors bundle. Really fabulous set of goodies, and if you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave links to it in the description box below. And if you're shopping, then take advantage of that coupon code in the description box for 10% off. Thanks again, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.